Many learners find English grammar daunting, but it doesn't have to be that way. One of the most important tenses you'll need is the present continuous tense. Why is it so important? Well, because it allows you to describe actions happening right now, plans for the near future, and even annoying habits. Mastering this tense will make your English more vibrant and dynamic. Imagine being able to paint a picture with your words, describing the world as it unfolds around you. This is the power of the present continuous tense. So, if you're ready to take your English to the next level, keep listening. This easy-to-understand guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the present continuous tense. We'll cover its definition, grammatical structure, and most importantly, its various uses with plenty of examples. Get ready to unlock a whole new dimension of English expression. The present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive tense, is used to describe actions that are happening at the moment of speaking. It's like taking a snapshot of an ongoing event and capturing it in words. To form the present continuous tense, we use the present tense of the verb to be, am, is, are, followed by the present participle of the main verb. The present participle is formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. For example, if the base verb is walk, the present participle is walking. To describe someone walking at this very moment, we would say, he is walking. This structure signifies that the action of walking is in progress right now. Remember, the present continuous tense is all about capturing the action in its present state. It's like a live video feed of an event, focusing on its ongoing nature. This is the most common use of the present continuous tense. It allows us to describe actions that are happening at the very moment of speaking or writing. Think of it as narrating a live event. If you see someone playing the guitar, you would say, he is playing the guitar. This sentence tells us that the action of playing the guitar is happening right now. Here are some more examples. She is reading a book, they are watching a movie, the birds are singing. In each of these sentences, the present continuous tense paints a vivid picture of an action unfolding in the present moment. This usage is essential for describing your immediate surroundings and experiences. It's like holding up a mirror to reality and capturing it in words. Section 4. Plans for the near future. The present continuous tense can also be used to talk about planned events in the near future. It's like having a calendar of upcoming events and highlighting the ones that are just around the corner. For example, if you have a dinner date scheduled for tomorrow evening, you might say, I am having dinner with friends tomorrow. This sentence indicates a future event that has already been arranged. Similarly, you might say, she is traveling to Italy next week, or they are moving into their new apartment next month. These sentences describe future events that are definite and relatively imminent. This usage is particularly helpful for sharing your upcoming plans and arrangements with others. It's like sending out invitations for events that are about to unfold. Section 5. Annoying habits. Have you ever noticed someone doing something repeatedly that just drives you crazy? The present continuous tense can be used to describe annoying habits, especially when used with words like always, constantly, or forever. For example, you might say, he is always interrupting me, or she is constantly complaining about the weather. These sentences express a sense of frustration with repeated actions that are perceived as annoying. Of course, it's important to use this construction carefully, as it can come across as critical or judgmental. It's best to reserve it for situations where you genuinely find someone's repeated actions bothersome. Remember, the present continuous tense can be a powerful tool for highlighting habits, both good and bad. Use it wisely. Section 6. Changing situations. The present continuous tense can also describe situations that are changing or developing. It's like watching a time-lapse video of a landscape transforming over time. For example, you might say, the weather is getting colder or the city is becoming more crowded. These sentences describe gradual shifts in ongoing situations. Similarly, you might say, his English is improving or her cooking is getting better. These sentences highlight positive changes that are happening over time. This usage is particularly useful for describing trends and developments that are unfolding around us. It's like taking the pulse of the world and noting its dynamic nature. Section 7. Conclusion. Mastering the present continuous tense is a significant step towards fluency in English. It empowers you to describe actions happening right now, plans for the near future, annoying habits, and changing situations with accuracy and vividness. Remember the basic construction, the present tense of be plus ing. Keep practicing with the examples provided, and soon you'll be using the present continuous tense like a pro. For further practice, try writing your own sentences using the present continuous tense in different contexts. You can also explore additional resources like grammar books or online exercises.